Starting around the 12th of May 2023, Chiliz basically is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.88% in most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely critical. CHZ in every practical sense has a kind of complete market cap of $748,957,772 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $41,606,363, or so they basically thought. This explicitly makes Chiliz kind of positioning at 57 in the digital currency market, which essentially is genuinely critical. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023. What will Chiliz especially be certainly worth in 2023, or so they generally thought. This Chiliz in every way that really matters, wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is very critical. Will CHZ cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled high, which for the most part is very huge. These truly are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future. Chiliz value forecast 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. As per the Chiliz gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the CHZ cost in a real sense is supposed to cross in every way that really matters. Normal value level of 14 cents. The normal pretty least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the very current year ought to basically be 14 cents in a kind of huge manner. Besides, CHZ can essentially arrive at a truly greatest value level of 16 cents in an unpretentious manner. CHZ value estimate May 2023. With respect to May 2023, Chiliz especially is supposed to generally arrive at an essentially least value worth of 10 cents. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The CHZ cost could arrive at an exceptionally most extreme cost of 12 cents with the fundamentally normal cost around 12 cents, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz value expectation June 2023. The cost of Chiliz in every practical sense is, all things considered, anticipated to truly reach at a very least worth of 11 cents in June 2023, or so they truly thought. The CHZ cost could generally arrive at an extremely greatest worth of 12 cents with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz value expectation July 2023. Chiliz cost truly is supposed to generally reach between 12 cents to 13 cents in July 2023, while the very normal cost of CHZ for the July for the most part remains around 12 cents. Chiliz value figure August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Chiliz fundamentally is somewhat anticipated to explicitly arrive at a typical cost of 13 cents, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of 14 cents and a truly least of 12 cents, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz value expectation September 2023. The cost of Chiliz by and large is basically anticipated to explicitly reach at an especially least worth of 13 cents in September 2023, showing the way that the CHZ cost could really arrive at a truly greatest worth of 12 cents with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The CHZ cost could sort of arrive at a greatest worth of 14 cents with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 13 cents all through 2023, or so they for the most part thought. CHZ value conjecture October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Chiliz truly is supposed to basically arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of 13 cents, which all things considered, is very critical. The CHZ cost could fundamentally arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of 15 cents with the sort of typical cost around 14 cents in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz value expectation November 2023. Chiliz cost is supposed to reach between 13 cents to 15 cents in November 2023, while the truly normal cost of CHZ for the November for the most part remains around 14 cents. Chiliz value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chiliz truly is supposed to, in every practical sense, be at around an especially least of 14 cents. So Chiliz value expectation June 2023. The cost of Chiliz by and large is truly anticipated to reach at an extremely least worth of 11 cents in June 2023. Chiliz cost can, in every way that really matters, arrive at a by and large limit of 16 cents with the fundamentally normal cost of 14 cents in USD, or so they explicitly thought. Chiliz essentially passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been truly diminished by 0.68% in its by and large current worth in an unpretentious manner. On the off chance that we especially look at the truly current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday, you can see that the market cap sort of is likewise down in a huge manner. Chiliz for the most part is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. The CHZ especially is down to nearly 17.56% in the very most recent 7 days, showing how Chiliz value expectation September 2023. The cost of Chiliz is really anticipated to especially reach at an extremely least worth of 13 cents in September 2023, showing the way that the CHZ cost could for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest worth of 12 cents with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, which generally is very huge. The coin most certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for fundamentally past genuinely couple of days. The coin could have areas of strength for genuinely at the same time. We don't essentially feel that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment, which basically is very huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ basically diminished by 18.907%, taking out an astounding certainly normal amount of 2 cents from its ongoing worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a decent really purchase an open door for genuinely fast speculation, showing how might CHZ cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed high. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 20.17%, and the cost for the most part flowed from a truly least fundamentally normal cost of 13 cents to pretty greatest sort of normal cost of 14 cents and truly beyond 90 days in an essentially huge manner. In absolute most recent 4 months, Chiliz sort of has shown a developing pattern, which really is very critical. Subsequently, we in a real sense believe that comparable pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period, which for the most part is genuinely critical, as indicated by practically the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Chiliz really is expanded from 4 months, or so they generally thought. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin truly is up by 6.77% with the especially greatest pretty typical cost of the coin in every practical sense was around 11 cents and the base genuinely normal cost of in every way that really matters was around 11 cents in beyond 4 months, exhibiting how Chiliz value expectation July 2023. Chiliz cost truly is supposed to reach between 12 cents to 13 cents in July 2023 while the by and large normal cost of CHZ for the July truly remains around 12 cents. Chiliz value gauge August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Chiliz for the most part is fundamentally anticipated to sort of arrive at an extremely normal cost of 13 cents while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 14 cents and a by and large least of 12 cents, which certainly is very huge. Chiliz value estimate 2023 FAQs what will essentially be Chiliz really worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. The CHZ cost really is determined to generally arrive at an especially greatest degree of 16 cents with especially least cost of 14 cents toward the finish of 2023. By and large further appearance how the 90 days cost change sort of is near 20.17% and the cost flowed from an especially least truly normal cost of 13 cents to especially most extreme normal cost of 14 cents in the genuinely beyond 90 days. Does Chiliz truly have a